This resto bar in Marikina serves good food and nice cocktails. Kaya naman kung naghahanap ka ng perfect chill spot sa Marikina, check this out kasi may live band din sila at night. Hey Jorelskis! Welcome to Kalma Bar and Grill in Marikina. Okay, here, nice place with limited parking, affordable yung food and drinks, plus may live band pa at night. Isa sa nagustuhan ko ang kanilang signature dinakdakan. It's uniquely good with sliced grapes, which actually worked and balances the flavor of the dish. Isa sa kanilang bestseller itong lumpia burger. Imagine yung cheeseburger is wrapped on lumpia wrapper, dipped on that special sauce. This was good. Ngayon lang ako nakatry nitong crispy pancit canton, wherein the crispy noodles is served separately with the sauce with lechon kawali on the side. Masarap and malasa yung sauce, and the best to mix them all together and kainin agad when it's served para may pagka-crispy pa rin yung noodles. Then you get to enjoy it while it's hot. In fairness ha, generous yung serving nito. Maraming vegetables, and the best part is may big chunks ng lechon kawali that you can enjoy. Sisig Kapampangan was okay. I just felt like mas marami ako nakain na liver over the pork. Nonetheless, the flavors was okay din naman. Nagulat kami dito sa serving ng lechon maka with buro and mustasa. Grabe, napakadami. 3 ways how you can eat this. You may add some buro or add their special vinegar, or pwede din naman if you put this on the mustasa, add some buro na parang samgyupsal style. Nagsaserve din sila ng good drinks such as shots and cocktails. Kaya naman perfect hangout place talaga tong Kalma Bar and Grill sa Marikina. Check nyo na to guys. Cheers!